In this question, you have to match the stages of meiosis given in column 1 to their characteristic feature in column 2. Now, during packaging, homologous chromosomes are fully paired and crossing over takes place. Thus, A matches with 3. Now, in metaphase 1, the homologous chromosome pair aligns at the metaphase plate, also known as the equatorial plate. Thus, B matches with 4. During diakinesis, chiasmata move towards the end of the chromosome. That is, terminalization of chiasmata occurs. So, C matches with 2. And in zygote, homologous chromosomes begin to pair to form bivalence. Thus, D matches with 1. Hence, the correct answer is option C.